Never run out of battery again with the INIU portable charger, the slimmest 10,000 milliamp hour power bank that keeps your devices charged on the go. Stay powered up wherever you go. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Hey there, tech fans. Welcome to WatchWire News. Today we're going to show you some of the most powerful features you never knew your Apple Watch could do. That's right, these are control center secrets that'll take your wearable experience to the next level. First up, let's talk about Wi-Fi. Now, you might know that tapping this icon turns your wireless on and off, but did you know you can press and hold it for even more? Not only will you get a full network selection screen where you can switch between networks with ease, but you'll also have the option to set up auto hotspot controls. This means you can choose when to automatically connect to a network or when to ask for permission to join one. Imagine being on the go and switching between different Wi-Fi networks, whether it's at home or in the office, without having to dig through settings menus every time. That's what this feature gives you, folks. Now, if you're like us and want to make finding your phone a whole lot easier, especially in noisy environments or dark rooms, here's another secret you should know about the Ping My iPhone feature. Pressing and holding that icon activates both the loud sound and the LED flash on your iPhone's back. It's a game changer when it comes to locating your device quickly. But wait, there's more. Did you know you can set silent mode to turn on for specific timeframes? By pressing and holding the silent mode icon, you'll be able to choose from options like on for 1 hour, or even until tomorrow morning. This means no more accidentally buzzing your watch during meetings because you forgot to turn off notifications. And if you're someone who's always juggling multiple focus modes throughout the day, whether it's work, personal, sleep, and do not disturb, this feature is a total lifesaver. Pressing and holding the focus mode icon brings up the list of available options, allowing you to switch directly from one mode to another without having to turn off the current one first. Last but certainly not least, we've got a hidden gem that's all about accessibility features. When you set these up in Settings, Accessibility Shortcut, and select the tools you want rapid access to, you'll get an entirely new control center icon that puts your favorite shortcuts at your fingertips. With just one tap or triple press of the digital crown, you can access everything from zoom and color filter to a monochrome display, even in bright sunlight or low light conditions. And there, you have it, 5 Apple Watch control center secrets worth knowing. These are game changers for anyone looking to get more out of their wearable device. So go ahead, try these out today, and take your Apple Watch experience to the next level.